Hello, students. How are you today? Today, we are going to look at three-dimensional shapes. Three-dimensional shapes. You can also call them 3D shapes. Okay, so let us look at some examples. Okay, so we have this one. This is called cuboid. Cuboid. Okay. This one is called cone. Cone. This one is called cylinder. Cylinder. And this one is called sphere. Sphere. Okay. So there are many objects around us. Even at our home, when you look around your house, you will see some of the objects that come in these shapes. Okay? Now, let us look at some examples of objects that are similar to these 3D shapes. Okay, so look at this. These objects, they come in a shape of cuboid. These ones, they come in a shape of cone. Then these ones, they come in a shape of a cylinder. And then these ones come in a shape of a sphere. Okay, so look at these four types of 3D shapes. Are they similar to each other or they are different? You can see that really they are different. But then, how are they different? Okay, now we are going to look at these shapes one by one. Okay, so then we will be able to tell the difference. Okay, so let's begin with a cuboid. A cuboid has got the vertex. Remember, the vertex is the same as corner. Okay, so it has got edges. Then it has got the surface. The surface, you can also call it face. Okay, so we shall need to see how many faces does it have, how many edges does it have, and how many corners does it have. Okay, a cuboid has 6 flat faces. Here we can be able to see only 3. There is this one, there is this one, and there is this one. But note that even behind we have there one, even here we have there another one, even down there is another face. To see this very well, you can get a box from your house and then you count how many faces. You will see that you will have 6 flat faces. Okay, now a cuboid has got 8 corners. So this is 1 corner, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then behind, like this one here, let's try to show the behind part. Okay, so we also have this one and this one to make 8 corners. Okay, then we have 12 edges. You can see like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So a cuboid has 6 flat faces, 8 corners, and 12 edges. Okay, now we look at a cone. So a cone has got one flat surface. You can also call it one flat face. And then one curved surface. Okay, so a cone has one flat face and one curved surface. This is the flat face and this is the curved surface. Or you can also call it curved face. Okay, now we look at a cylinder. Okay, a cylinder has got two flat faces. There is this one, and then we have this one. Okay, so we have two flat surfaces, or you can say two flat faces, and then one curved surface. So a cylinder has two flat faces and one curved surface. Okay, and now let's look at the sphere. Okay, a sphere. So a sphere has no flat faces and it has a curved surface. It has a curved surface. Okay, so let us do some practice to be able to identify these 3D shapes. We will be able to identify them and to differentiate between them. Okay, look at the shapes of the objects in each group. Cross out the different shapes. A, sphere. So look at this. This is like a cuboid. This is like a sphere. This is like a sphere. And this one is like a sphere. So we will cross out this one. Okay, B, cuboid. So look at this, it's like a cuboid, but this one is like a sphere. Okay, these are books. They're like a cuboid, and this is a gift box, and it's like a cuboid. So we will cross out this one. Okay, next, cylinder. Okay, this one is like a cylinder. This one is like a cylinder. This one like a cylinder, but this one is not like a cylinder. Now D, we look at cone. Yes, this is a cone. This one is like a cone. This one is like a cone, but this is like a cylinder. So we cross out this one. Okay, now it's time for exercise. I want you to look at page 130. Page 130. Okay, match the shapes to the correct words and sentences. Number 1, I am a 3D shape with a curved surface. Number 2, I am a 3D shape with two flat faces and a curved surface. Okay. Number 3. I am a 3D shape with 6 flat faces. Some of my faces are of different sizes. And number 4. I am a 3D shape with a flat face and a curved surface. Okay, now let's match. I will answer number 1, you answer number 2, I answer number 3, then you answer number 4. Okay, number 1. I am a 3D shape with a curved surface. Yes, this one. What is that? That will be a sphere. Okay. You will answer number 2. Now let me answer number 3. I am a 3D shape with 6 flat faces. Some of my faces are of different sizes. 6 flat faces. That will be a cuboid. Yes. Okay. And we come to our cuboid. All right. Now you will answer number 4. Okay. Now let's look at number 2. Group the objects by shape correctly. Group the objects by shape correctly. Okay, so we have a tissue box, we have basketball, we have dice, we have globe, party heart, can, blocks, ice cream cone, mug, and gift. So let's see which ones are like a sphere, which ones are like a cuboid. What about cone? And then what about cylinder? Okay, now I will answer this one, then you answer this one, I answer this one, then you answer this one. So I begin with the sphere. This is a tissue box? No, it's not like a sphere. Oh, this is a basketball. It is round. Okay. It has a flat surface. No corners. So we say basketball. Next, we have globe. Okay. You will answer this one for cuboid. Now let me answer for cone. Okay, let's look for it. Yes, party heart. Party heart. What else? This is can, no, blocks, no. Oh yes, ice cream cone. All right. Ice cream cone. Okay, now you can answer part shapes. This one, the last part for the cylinder. Okay, so let us stop here for today, and when we meet again next time, we will be looking at grouping shapes.